Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoyed the content. Today was a flat day for me. I realized $8 in profits, but I had $20 in commissions. So that's a red $12 day, which isn't much, basically flat. I just had no conviction today, really. So everything was small size, pretty much. Most I sized up was I think 2 or 3 contracts on like something like Apple or AMD. But let's get to it. First trade's on Boeing, small position. I like the setup on the hourly and the daily, but I don't know why I didn't hold this longer. I don't know why I didn't size up. It was Monday. I didn't want to do anything stupid. I play this little bear flag. It's in the middle here. The blue level 2. I play this candle under candle, low day break, one contract, and I don't want to bore you with these one contract trades, but get a little bit of pot. So I'm in it. 275. Sell at $3. Buy on the ask. Sell on the ask. So just made a quick little $25. Whatever. It's cool with that. Next trade's on Facebook. Facebook's on the far right. So we had this little bull flag. I play this candle over candle in this consolidation. I buy only one contract at 365 call. Long story short, since there's only one contract, I'm going to fast forward this. I get out on a candle under candle, a little bit later than a candle under candle. And then watch this thing just kept trending, or it kept trending down. So I lost $40 in that, so down $15, $20 with commissions. Next trade's on Tesla. Tesla's on the far left here. The Tesla was a bit extended, and I like these 700 calls. They had good volume, almost 12,000 contracts traded today, and we were only 42.5 minutes into the day, so not bad. So I'm gonna catch this falling knife here. I felt like we were due for a pullback, so I'm gonna buy on the bid. I'm gonna buy a 700 contract at 809. So if you notice, the contract price is like we're at 810 by 815, 8. It doesn't really go under like I believe like 8 or 790 or 795. Like I was never really red on this position, even though I think it went down a couple bucks if I remember correctly. Okay, 70. So we're dropping a bit, and look, we're only at 790. I think maybe we went down to 780. Not sure, but I just didn't feel like I was ever really in too much danger. It was 795 here, and that's because of these volume in these contracts. There people are stepping up to the bid on them, and it's a whole number of contracts, 700. So it's a lot of volume, and yeah, so that helps. So I'm basically break even a little bit in the green. My goal here was, if I was a little bit more, had a little bit bigger set of balls, or I like this idea of to scale into it. They're so extended. I could have another bid at 790, but if it would have moved, down to 750 or so, then maybe. But it would have been nice to scale into a few of these, and then sell on the ask into a pop when I get to 850. Like I sell here on 850 on the ask. Could have sold it, a lot higher, but I sold it on the ask 850. So I made $41. Just real quick, just no conviction on a Monday. Don't want to do anything stupid. Want my little smoker gains. So, uh, up $14 on the day after commissions. So I had that Tesla trade, and then I had an AMD trade where I bought one contract at 238. Um, let's see. So I bought this at 11, basically 238, and I sold 25 minutes later, to AMD. 230. Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened there, but let's get to it. So. This one's on Boeing. I buy one at 309. I bought that AMC at 236 until at 228 or something like that. Something smaller. Just get out of the AMC. Oh, I accidentally bought puts on the AMC. That's why I lost money. I was like, what the hell? I tried to buy calls and I bought puts. Anyway, so Boeing, I'm in a 230 put or 230. Yeah, put. And what I do here is, so I close out that AMC as a put position, small, obviously one contract. So Boeing, I'm gonna add one more there at 331. So I'm in a 230 put. I bought another one at 331, and then I sell both of them at 335. So it got back to green on the day, and that's it. That was my final trade on the day. Was out of buying power, so I finished the day $8 realized. That 143 unrealized is a BlackBerry position I've been swinging for a few weeks now. It's out till September. I'm not worried about it. So I had $20 in commissions and I had $8 in realized. So read $12 on the day, basically flat. Just an uneventful day. So that's why I kept this video short. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.